So, Si Reynolds says to me, Cole, do you want to see my box?
Shut up and sit down.
Hello, gang, Colin here. Festa 67's workshop. Now, I know this is a bit of an unusual angle, but I had a message from Si Reynolds. He says, Cole, I'm sending you a box. So he did. And it's a big one. As you can see, it's a big old box of boxness. Look at that, look. Hey, so should we get it open and have a looky-loo at what we got inside, folks? And he don't do things by halves, does he? Yeah, Si. So I'm trying to get as much light as I can on everything because it's caught me by surprise. It's a big old bit of gubbins he's done here, so apologies for the angle, the lighting and everything, and I'm filming it on my webcam rather than my phone because I can't get enough cable on the boom arm to reach. But anyway, I'm rambling. So let's have a quick looky-loo. I've opened one end just so that I've got something I can look into. So I'm going to try and do this in such a way that any addresses and all of that lot don't get caught. So let's have a bit of that. And he's wrapped it well. And he messaged me yesterday and said, oh, you know, did get there all right. He said, hopefully I've packed it well enough. And honestly, it's unbelievable how he's packed this. I can't believe the size of the box. It's huge. I dread to think. I really do. He said, I've got some Warhammer stuff. He said that I'm not building it at the moment, so I'm gonna send it there. So yeah, he says he said there's a few bits and bobs. He says I'm looking at this thinking, what the bloody hell's in here? Apologies for the rustling. I don't know it's. Let's try and get that going off of there. Making a right old ash of this, and I should have cleaned my bench a bit better, shouldn't I? But there you go. All right, shall we continue? I'm going to keep me bubble wrap because I've got some things to ship. And this stuff is going to be a godsend because I've got all my builds that I want to ship up to the folks up at KA.Models. So I'm going to be sending them up. Holy moly, I can hear a lot of rattling going on in here. And it's figuring out as well how he wrapped it, because the temptation would be to blast the Stanley knife in there, and I don't want to do that for obvious reasons. So, looks like there's boxes on top of boxes. And start having a shifty like so. I think we've got that separated. So oh my good God, man. Holy shit. Just make sure there's no addresses. Anyway. So let's stand that there. What have we got here? 40k orcs, he says in there. In this box, there's a Death Dread, 1 boondacker wagon, 5 flash gits, 3 killer cans, partial knobs box, 2 alt trucks, 10 beast snaggers, and 2 squiggle riders. Unbelievable. Let's have a looky, Lou. He's packed this so well. I think this is out. Yeah, it is out. Opens. So use your left hooker there. Might as well. That's what it's there for. The artwork is gorgeous, but yeah. So there you go, folks. Look at that lot. And yeah, he's kindly listed everything that's in there. And it is a lot of plastic in there, folks, in there. Let's just try and move that back a bit more so that you can see what's actually going on down here. That's the key. Look at that. How's that? Look at that lot. Bloody ding dong. Hey? Do you want me to send you my box? Look at that lot, folks. Hey? This is a hell of a lot of plastic in here, Simon. You are an absolute superstar. Look at this lot. Hey? Honestly, it's going to keep me going for years. It's unbelievable. All of it, my goodness, man. Hey, God, the guru would be having squee fits when he sits and watches this lot. So look at it all. Unbelievable. There's alt trucks and, oh, mate, we can have some fun with these bad boys. Festering them up. Yeah, look at that. Bloody hell, man. Whoa. Dude. We are going to have one hell of a fun time doing that lot, because we was chatting a while back, me and Si, about doing some content together. A bit of streaming and a bit of this and a bit of that. And yeah, we want to set it up and do something. And it's just figuring out times. It's going to be a random thing, but there are going to be streams we're going to be doing. And every time we've gone to do something, I've been a bit poorly bad this year. I've not had a good start to 2023. I'm currently having a bit of an MS relapse. So once that's done its thing and slapped me about a bit and told me off, I'll then be able to plan a bit better. And yeah, so this is all going to be stuff that I'll be able to sit and do. When I'm streaming with Si, I can do all the buildy stuff. And then, yeah, we can do painty, and I am sure he'll impart some knowledge my way, because he won't mind me saying he's an award winner. And rightly so, because I've seen his work and it is spectacular stuff. So keep an eye out, folks, because with this little lot, I think I've got enough to keep me going for about 55 years. That's just Snazwagon. I remember doing one of them with young Dave. So we've got some bits and bobs we can build, and some vehicles and some fellas and all of that. Like, that's just unbelievable, geez. I know you said you were sending me a box, mate, but wait a minute. That is unbelievable. Again, folks. 40k. Oh, pardon me. That was the box, honest. One Death Dread. I bet if I tried to make that do it again, it won't do it. One Death Dread, a boondacker wagon, 5 flash kits, 3 killer cans, partial knobs box, 2 alt trucks, 10 beast snaggers, and 2 squiggle riders in there. Oh, we're going to fun, folks. So let's manoeuvre that one just out of shot. And we'll investigate what we got in here. Because, yeah, there's another one to go. Look. Hey, would you like to see my box? He's a Wally. But no, honestly, Si, I am made up, mate. Because, yeah, he knows the start of this year's not been great. So, yeah, it's certainly stuff to look forward to because we want to get back to a routine as soon as possible that is more reliable than current situation allows. So what have we got in here? Oh, it's all neatly packaged up as well. Oh, bless you. Oh, there's some bases in there. So let's just manoeuvring round off camera, folks, and then I'll be able to show you what's going on here. Oh, God. He's a boy, and he look at this lot. Unbelievable, man. Dude. Let's just drop that there. This is just unbelievable. There's tubs full of stuff here. You got proper craft tubs going on here with folks in. Squigog Boys. Instructions there. War Boss with Mega Armour. And he's done a bit of prep there. And knowing how Si is with his buildy. Yeah, there's serious amounts of denubbing. I've got the bases in there. Oh, man. Unbelievable. Look at this lot. Folks, isn't it? Hey? Dude, what can I say? Mega thanks. So we got those. Find somewhere safe just to stand that. We got the WASBomb there, suitably started in there with all the wings and all of that lot going on, all the dudes and everything else there. Bit of wingage. Excuse me, knocking the camera. We got all of this gubbins going on there with the cockpit. All the missiles prepped. All the little bags. All boys' old shoulder pads. See, I feel so much better now seeing this because I've kind of, in my Warhammer or my Citadel projects box, I've actually bagged stuff up and labelled it, and I thought I daren't let them see that because one, they'll accuse me of being further down the hole than them, but they might also mock me. But seeing this has made me feel a whole lot better about doing it. And then we've got the Bandai X-Wing ready for paint. This has got some WASBomb instructions in for all the different burner bombers, blitzer bombers, blaster jet, all the different destructions in there. So we got all of that. And we've got some instructions in here for the boys. And then you've got all labelled up backpacks, heads, torsos, arms, legs, loads of bits and bobs in there. There's some dudes there looking all rather orcified. Yeah, you want some of me, do you? Yeah, I do all the voices, you know. I spend hours sat here, you know, talking to myself. Look at these dudes and that all going on. Unbelievable, Si. Honestly, mate, I am so lost for words, mate, for a change. I really am. Imagine everyone out there breathing a sigh of relief that Festa's lost for words. So you get to decide what I'm going to build on that, mate. So we'll have a chat on that and see which one you want me to go for. But yeah, look at that. Ding dong geese. That's just mad. Si, you are such a ledge. Unbelievable. Yeah, come on, Carl. It's putting a lid on a box, mate. You can do it. Unbelievable. Dude. What can I say? You've got all of that lot there. All of that lot there. You've got all of that lot there. That's just insane. Absolutely insane. I just want to make sure that I've captured everything because he's wrapped something else up here that I can see. Oh, he's got a little diorama base that he's done. Oh, dude. Oh, look at that. Oh, mate, I'll keep the wrap for that because, yeah, I don't want to drop it. So I'll keep that wrapped up. But yes, I don't know what to say, mate. Massive, massive, massive love shown there and respect and all of that lot. I'm not often lost for words, mate. But on this occasion, you've got me. Yeah. Unbelievable, mate. Such a gesture. So yeah, folks. Yeah, Festa's lost for words. He really is. Yeah. I think that is absolutely stunning. It really is a stunning haul of stuff there. And you really have put a lump in my throat, mate, to be honest with you. And yeah. I look forward to building this, mate. Yeah, we're going to be doing the streams and all of that in the future and getting that all sorted out, getting that all set up so that he can do a bit of live streaming with us. And yeah, we can sit and build this and have uber fun and frivolity. So I'm going to love and leave you with that. I'm going to sit and drink the biggest cup of tea and gulp and try and get me voice back, really, because I'm pretty stunned. I really am. So I'm going to bid you farewell. Thank you again, Si, for this wonderful, wonderful gesture, mate. Yeah. Love and respect, mate. And I'll see you all shortly. Bye-bye for now.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,